Hello children, welcome again to the next section of numbers class. Remember me, who I am? Yes, I hope you all must have learned by now that maths ma'am is Parul ma'am, right? I am Parul ma'am. So children, are you all enjoying these sessions? English, Hindi, maths, EVS, all these sessions, are you all enjoying? Yes, because teachers are teaching in such a good way, right? So let's begin the number session now. Okay, children, first tell me how many of you remember this number which I taught you in last session? Which is this number? Yes, absolutely correct. Yes, this is number 1. Right, you all get full marks for this. This is number 1. I told you na, number 1 is always written in a standing line. Starting from top goes down is number 1. Okay, now let's count. Oh, monkey. Cute monkey, isn't it? Okay, how many monkey are here? Only 1. So this is number 1. How many monkey are here? Only 1. So this is number 1. Right. So children, we have done this one number. Now, today I am going to teach you number 2. I have already taught you, but now I am going to show you in detail number 2. Which number is this? Number 2. Which number is this? Number 2. Let's see few objects of number 2. We are going to count. Are you ready? Yes, we are ready. Come on, let's do it. Now first, how many toys are here? Only 1. So this is 1. When we add one more toy in this, it becomes 2. So how many toys we have now? 2. 1, 2. See again, how many toys we have now? 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, understood? So we have 2 toys. Now giraffe is coming from the jungle. See, a big giraffe is here. Hello children, how are you? I have come directly from the forest to teach you numbers. Okay, how many giraffe is here? Only 1. Now, if we add another giraffe, how many giraffes are here? 2 giraffes. How many giraffes are here? 2 giraffes. 1, 2. 1, 2. So, we have 2 giraffes here. Wow! 1 ice cream. And 1 more ice cream. So, how many ice creams are here? 1, 2. How many ice creams are here? 1, 2. So, again we have 2 ice creams. Now, children, have you learned? Let's do a rhyme. Okay, do you remember that rhyme in which number 2 is coming? Let's start. 2 little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. So, how many dicky birds are here in this poem? 2. 1, 2. How many dicky birds are here in this poem? 2 dicky birds, right? So, 2 birds are here. Okay. Now, another thing is, I have 2 books. See, 1, 2. I have 2 books. 1, 2. See again, 1, 2. 2 books. How many books I have? 2. Now I have 1 plate and 2 plates. How many plates do I have? One red one and one green one. So how many plates do I have? 2 plates. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, children? So have you understood how to count number 2? Now, tell me, which number is written here? Is it 1? Think. Think again. No, this is number 2. Which number is this? This is number 2. And how many ducks are quacking here? 1, 2. 1, 2. How many ducks are quacking? 2 ducks. Quack, quack, quack. 2 ducks. Okay? Now children, I hope you have understood number 2 properly and clearly. Now children, I am going to teach you how to write number 1. Do you remember? I have taught you number 1 in the previous session. Now today, I am going to give you work for number 1. So are you ready for that? Please see this video carefully and properly because I am going to teach you how to write number 1. Okay? Can you see this? Squares, right? Parents, please take a paper and kindly make these kind of squares in that paper. Is it clear? Just for the practice. Now, in numbers, we don't touch this top line. Numbers में top line touch नहीं करते हैं. We start from the dot. We make one standing line, go down, and this is number 1. Start from the dot, standing line, go down, number 1. Again, start from the dot, standing line, go down, number 1. One more time. Standing line, go down, number 1. Standing line, go down, number 1. Standing line, go down, number 1. So, writing number 1 is very easy. I think you all must have understood. Okay? Now I am giving you work. Okay, parents and children, are you ready for the work? Can you see this worksheet here? I have made a worksheet. Parents, please listen carefully. I have made a worksheet here. Similarly, in like previous worksheets you have done, you have written name here, you have written LKG, section, date. Date will be 21/5/2020. Now in this worksheet, children have to color number 1. They can use any color. I am not giving you any prescribed color. They can use any color, right? They can use blue, green, yellow, pink, whatever they feel like. And they have to color this number 1. First, they will make the outline and then they will color. Similarly, how many balls I have drawn here? Only 1 ball I have drawn. So, children, you are going to color this ball. Okay? You can use any color of your choice. आप अपनी choice का color करेंगे. First, you will do coloring of 1 and then 1 ball. This is the work of one side worksheet. Then, you are going to turn the paper. And parents, these instructions are for you. Please listen. Take any plain paper. Okay? Take any plain paper. And in that paper, you have to draw these kinds of squares. Can you see these squares which I have drawn? You can take any size, any measurement, but should be big, broad, big checks. Okay? You have to draw these kinds of checks on that whole paper. In the first 4 lines, you have to write dotted 1, like I have written. And in the last 4 lines, you will put only 1 dot. And in that dots, children are going to write number 1. First, children are going to keep the pencil on the dotted one and they will make a 1 on the dotted line. Okay? Like this. I am doing one for you. You will keep pencil on the dotted line and you will make the standing line here. Okay? You will write dotted 1. Then For only one dot is there, you will keep pencil on that one dot and you will make one standing line like this. Is it clear? So parents, please take a look and you have to make worksheets like this. And don't hold hand of child, they are going to write themselves. They will write with the pencil and they are going to do it by themselves. Then only they will get practice of writing number 1. I hope I have made this very clear to you all. And children, please complete your work and revise all your work every day. Take care and bye.